After doing our friendships on our 4 different nail shaping, we are giving each a complete new different design altogether. Let's start with our almond nails. For this one, we are doing a soft dotted design with a 3D flower. Since our French tips is already done, we'll start by adding dots along the French tip area to give a little extra detail. For our 3D flower, I'll be using a hard gel and I'll make it into round balls. Then carefully build each other petals one by one. Using our silicone pencil, we will have to shape the petal so that it has a nice raising effect without making the flower too bulky. Keep the flower close to the French tip so everything looks balanced at the almond shape. When the small beads are gently pressed, drag it with the silicone brush to create that soft, curvy petal shape. Repeat the same process by building the petals one by one until the flower starts coming together. The key is using light pressure and taking your time so the petal looks clean, defined, and has a 3 dimension. So after the 3D has been securely done, go in with your powder. It can be eyeshadow palette or the pigment powder. Dab it into the middle gently for it to blend. After, go in with your rhinestone gel to secure any charm of your choice. Then cure after 60 seconds. To seal everything in, go ahead and top coat for the final look. Next on our list is Stiletto. This time we are doing colorful Pucci-inspired design. We will start by using black gel polish and other different gel color polishes to create a flawed curved section across the nails. So you can be creative here. Anyhow you want your lines to go with, that's fine. Just make sure that each color has its own space while working the lines to flow naturally with the shape. During alignment with the colors, make sure you cure in between the colors. So after placing each color, you cure before you go ahead with the other one. The key here is to keep the lines smooth and allow the colors to flow the direction of the stiletto shape. Layering the colors carefully so each section stands out. Because stiletto has already a dramatic point, we want the design to emphasize the shapeness and the sharpness rather than hiding it. Top coat, and this is what you should get for your stiletto. Now let's move to our almighty square nails. For this shape, we are going for a clean and artistic root line designs. We'll be using a liner brush to create thin lines, flowing lines across the nails looking as a root. Instead of making the lines all looking the same at the exact point, we will rather change the direction and thickness slightly to give the design more character. Don't worry about getting everything perfect for your first try. Start slow, control your brush, and practice with your pressure. Once you are happy with the design, cure it, finish up with your top coat and cure it too. Finally, on our last shape, we'll be combining ombre with swirls. I'm blending colors, gently creating smooth ombre effects while keeping the dark shape visible. Then once the ombre is completed, I'll top coat and cure for 60 seconds. And I'll go in with my rhinestone gel to create that soft curved line that flows into the shape of the nail. The goal is to keep the strokes balanced without overcrowding the display. After curing, apply your top coat and secure everything to bring out the beauty shine. And there you have it, our 4 new shapes, 4 different complete new designs. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe.